Hello everyone. In this video, we're solving Codeforces Problem 467 of George and Accommodation. This is a straightforward problem that's great for beginners. We'll break it down step by step, explain the logic, and then walk you through the Python code. Stick around until the end for a clear understanding of how to solve this efficiently. Problem statement: the task is simple. George is looking for rooms where he and his friend can stay. Each room has a current number of people, P, and a maximum capacity, Q. George can live in a room only if the room can accommodate at least 2 more people, i.e., Q, P greater than equals 2. We are given 1. N, the total number of rooms George is considering. 2. For each room, the values of P and Q are given. We need to calculate how many rooms can accommodate George and his friend. Input and output. 1. Input, the first line, contains an integer, n, the number of rooms. The next, n, lines, each contain 2 integers, p and q, current people and capacity. 2. Output, a single integer, the number of rooms George can live in. Here's the Python code implementing this solution. The code will be shared in the comments section for your convenience. Let's solve the problem step by step. 1. Initialize a counter. Start with can living rooms equals 0. This will count the number of suitable rooms. 2. Iterate through the rooms. For each room, check if the difference between Q, capacity, and P, current people, is at least 2. 3. Update the counter. If the condition is satisfied, increment can living rooms. 4. Output the result. After checking all rooms, print the value of can living rooms. Let's walk through an example to better understand the code. Input 3 rooms. First has P equals 1 and Q equals 3. Second has P equals 2 and Q equals 4. Third has P equals 5 and Q equals 5. Step 1. Initialize can living rooms equals 0. Step 2. Process each room. Room 1. P equals 1, Q equals 3. Can George live here? 3 minus 1 equals 2, so the answer is yes. Increment can living rooms to 1. Room 2, P equals 2, Q equals 4. Can George live here? 4 minus 2 equals 2, so the answer is yes. Increment can living rooms to 2. Room 3, P equals 5, Q equals 6. Can George live here? 6 minus 5 equals 1, so the answer is no. Step 3. Output the result. The result is 2. This solution efficiently checks all rooms in O of n time, making it perfect for competitive programming. The logic is simple and beginner-friendly. If you found this explanation helpful, please like the video, leave a comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.